Today, we have a very exciting story to share with you. Agility Robotics, the creator of the bipedal robot Digit, is opening the world's first factory for humanoid robots in Salem, Oregon. This factory, called RoboFab, will have the capability to produce more than 10,000 robots per year, making it the largest and most advanced robot factory in the world. In this video, we will tell you everything you need to know about RoboFab and Digit, the humanoid robot that will revolutionize the workforce of the future. RoboFab is a robot manufacturing facility that will employ more than 500 workers in Salem, in addition to employees at Agility's other locations. RoboFab will start producing Digits later this year, and customers that are participating in the Agility Partner Program (APP) can expect delivery of the first Digits in 2024. General market availability of Digit is expected in 2025. Digit is the first commercial humanoid robot that can walk, run, climb stairs, and carry heavy loads. Digit is designed to go where people go and do useful work safely in spaces designed for people. Digit can perform tasks such as moving, loading, and unloading totes in warehouses and distribution centers. Digit can also work collaboratively with humans and other robots. Thanks to its advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, Digit is not only a powerful and versatile robot, but also a beautiful and elegant one. Digit has a sleek and streamlined design that minimizes its weight and maximizes its agility. Digit has 4 degrees of freedom in each leg, allowing it to balance and move smoothly on uneven terrain. Digit also has 2 arms with 3 degrees of freedom each, enabling it to manipulate objects and interact with its environment. Digit's head features a camera array that provides high-resolution stereo vision and depth perception. Digit's torso houses a powerful computer that runs its software and controls its hardware. Digit is powered by a removable battery pack that provides up to 4 hours of continuous operation. Digit can communicate wirelessly with other devices via Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Digit can also be controlled remotely by a human operator, using a VR headset and a haptic suit. Digit is the result of years of research and development by Agility Robotics, a company that was founded in 2015 by former researchers from Oregon State University's Dynamic Robotics Laboratory. Agility Robotics' vision is to enable humans to be more human by solving difficult problems in today's workforce with robotic solutions. Agility Robotics has received funding from various sources, including DARPA, NASA, Ford Motor Company, and Playground Global. RoboFab is a milestone in the history of robotics, as it marks the beginning of the mass production of commercial humanoid robots. RoboFab will accelerate the development and deployment of advanced robotic systems and cultivate innovation in the field of robotics. RoboFab will also create new opportunities for employment, education, and entertainment in Salem and beyond. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about RoboFab and Digit. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more robotic news.